Hi, I'm Kristen Getter, Director of the MSU Horticulture Gardens, and I'm here to tell you about a project we are working on and how we need your help. Our Liberty Hyde Bailey sculpture is in need of repair. Liberty Hyde Bailey was a Michigan native and he earned his undergraduate degree in botany at MSU in 1882. It was, of course, then called Michigan Agricultural College. He went on to establish the first horticulture department in the U.S. here at MSU and was its first professor and chair. He is considered by most to be the father of modern horticulture. To honor Bailey, the Liberty Hyde Bailey Sculpture Plaza was established in the MSU Horticulture Gardens in 1993 by two generous donors. The plaza features a bronze, life-size statue of Bailey sculpted by a Michigan artist and is the largest and most prominent statue in the 14-acre gardens complex. Countless students, faculty, staff, and visitors take selfies with Bailey each year and often pick a flower in the gardens and place it in his hands. Over the years, the Bailey statue has experienced extensive degradation of its finishes. Left unchecked, the oxidative mineral deposits will etch into the bronze permanently, which will disfigure the statue. We are seeking support to restore this treasure. We are running a crowd power campaign, which is MSU's version of GoFundMe, to help raise funds needed for this project. All donations through this campaign will go directly to fix the sculpture. To donate, scan this QR code with your phone's camera or visit either one of these links on the screen. Thank you for your consideration.